Guys, look, it's just arrived. I only ordered this 2 days ago. I'm so excited. My Spectrum Festive Glam box. Let's unbox it. Okay, let's see what we've got. First of all, we have got a mascara, a Quebec brush. Let's open up and see what it looks like. Wow. So soft. Beautiful. Next up is the Spectrum Glam Snow Wonder Sponge Duo. So in that you get a large one and a smaller one for in those hard to get places. A makeup removing cleansing pad. Just add water. This feels so soft and spongy. Right, now for the star of the show, the 12-piece brush set. And on the back it tells you everything that you can use the brushes for, but that's completely up to you. Oh my, look at these brushes. They are beautiful and such good quality. So this is everything you get in this box. £23 for all this, and it is worth over £130. And it only took 2 days to come. I'm so happy I got this.